all the atoms in our body, in every humans, in every organism, those atoms came from stars exploding in the universe. So the origin of the universe, is from the Big Bang. I think I'd explain this enormously. Maybe we are going too much towards science. I wanted us to just
what provoked the Big Bang? What provoked the Big
God.
Bang?
What provoked?
This is to tell you that science is rushing behind God. Science is trying to understand what happened. God already knows what happened.
No,
and the human being, science is trying to understand what God has already done.
No,
everything
which God? Which God? Which God are you referring to, sir? I don't get it.
When you get up one morning, and go out the street and meet a car parked, what will come to your mind?
A car park.
When you go out in the morning and meet a car parked in the street, what will come to your mind? Somebody parked it there.
Somebody. Oh, the argument that somebody parked it there. Is that your argument?
Yeah.
Is that you think that's an evidence
that is
for
my
God?
Argument. We come to see the order that has been placed in the universe. There is somebody who is placing that order.
Okay, that doesn't
the higher person placing the order.
Yeah, the best answer to that is if someone did it. This is what I'm going to respond. That is not a good evidence, and that is not how the universe started, and that is not how human life started. Let me just assume
everything has been working according to order, right? There is an order in the universe, and that if one star is removed by a centimeter, the whole structure is going to collapse, right? And there is a force maintaining it in space. Somebody have constructed it to that position. That is all my assumption is.
So here is the thing. If I give you that, the next question for me would be that if it requires something complex to create, if it requires someone complex to create a car, or if it's always the case that it requires something complex to create another thing, it's something more complex to create something that is less complex or complex. For instance, a car, a watch, or something. And then if I will assume that this thing is also complex. So in this case, I will assume that God is complex. So it requires some other complex being to have created God. So
he just came into being.
So how would you explain that? Who created God?
He just came into being. Into being.
How did it just came into being? It's impossible. From your argument, you shoot your argument in the foot. So you just shot your foot. You just shot yourself in the foot by doing that. So it just disappears your argument. So, so that is.
He just came into being.
Yeah, that is the point. So if
we'll look at the hierarchy. We'll keep seeking the hierarchy to understand who is right up there, because we know the cosmic arrangement now we have.